Today I'm doing an update on my plastic work I did on this bush hog and how it held up. It's been over 3 years now, close to 4, that I repaired this bush hog and fixed this handle, and I'll show you more about that. So in the video I made 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I showed how I made this plastic cord out of cutting like a soda bottle, and I wrapped this handle with it and then took a heat gun and shrinked it down. It's done real well. But this thing is all so dull and everything, so right now I'm going to go ahead and straighten this blade out some, and I'll show you what I've done and how it still performs really well. All right, sharpening's done. Now, we're gonna take this loose and I'll give you a demonstration of what it does. And this will be the update for my bush axe. So come along. So I'm gonna show you how this works. I put a little edge back on here. It's not real good though. I should have worked on it a little more. But let's try it and see. Ta-da! There's your update. Well, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and click that bell for more notifications.
Thank you.